Hi guys, good morning and happy Monday. Today is Monday, November 30th. And we're doing math today and we're talking about doubles. We talked about doubles last week and started counting with them. I love doubles because once you pick up the doubles, they are so fast. So let's do like a little warm-up activity. We're going to be doing pages 29 and 30 today. It's a double-sided paper and it's dated at the top 11:30. I will show it to you because we're going to start it together. But I'm going to have you, if you have your little cutout activity with the doubles, we're going to do a little bit of double practice before we get started. So it looks like this, where you have your doubles facts and then you have like your little cutout card where you cut out the middle and you're able to go and like kind of make it kind of like a magnifying glass around what the answer is, okay? All right, so I'm going to give you a couple of doubles facts and I want you to put your card over what the correct answer is, okay? So, how about, let's start out with an easy one, okay? 1 plus 1. What's the double fact for ones? What's the double fact for ones? Hopefully you put it over your 2. Yeah. Hopefully your card is covering so you can see your 2 through your little like window there, right? Okay, let's try another doubles fact. Let's do 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, or the double of 4. 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Very good. All right, the next one, let's do 7 plus 7. 7 and 7. Really close to the last answer we had. You just had to scooch it over. 1 more to 14. 7 and 7. It's like 2 weeks, right? 7 days in 1 week, 7 days in another week. 2 days is 14 days. 2 weeks is 14 days. All right, how about 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5. Set of hands. 5 and 5. 10. Yeah, right in the middle. That is my favorite double fact. I don't know why. I just love 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's my favorite double. How about 9 and 9? What is the double of 9? 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. 18. Yep, that's kind of a tricky one. 9 plus 9 is 18. How about 6 plus 6? 6 and 6. Kind of like eggs. You know, we've talked about eggs, how there's 2 rows of 6 in when you get some eggs. That makes a dozen, or 12. 12. 6 and 6. The double of 6 is 12. Good job. I love to do just a little warm-up practice before we start our worksheet for the day, especially since doubles are new and we're really practicing on getting those down. Okay, we're going to come on over now to the smartboard and I will show you what page we're working on today. It looks like this. It says sort on the top. Okay, it says sort. And way up here it says 11:30. You can kind of see it up there. But it has some examples of some of the things we actually just talked about with some of those doubles. So we're going to write the doubles for each of these pictures. We're going to go over these little pictures that they describe, and we're going to write out what those doubles are, okay? So we talked about, actually pause me now if you need to get this out. Now is your break right now to get it out, and then we will start on it together. All right, so the first one, we have to figure out what double fact is this. So I just said it a little bit ago, and I messed it up when I said it. But I said 2 weeks. 2 weeks. How many days are in 1 week? 7. 7 days are in a week. So if we have 2 weeks, we have 7 days 1 week plus 7 days another week. So we have 7 plus 7. And you can kind of even count it. You could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I counted them all up together, it would be 14. The double of 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 and 7 is 14. The next one is my favorite one. 2 hands. How many fingers are on one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 5. 5 plus 5. And what does that equal? 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very nice. Okay, how about this next guy? Ooh. Kind of creepy looking, huh? He's a spider. We're going to count how many are on each side, how many legs he has on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 4 plus 4. A spider has how many legs? 8 legs. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So we just did the doubles of 7, 5, and 4. So we did 7 plus 7, 5 plus 5, 4 plus 4. Okay? So here is our goal. You see how there's these little letters up here? A, B, C, D. What we're going to do with those letters is we're going to solve these math problems down here. And we have to figure out if they have the same answers as these boxes. But some of them aren't a double. Some of them are count-ons. Remember how we start with the big number and we count on? If they're count-ons, then we put the letter D in this little box up here, as you can kind of see on the first one. Let's do it together, and I'll show you what I mean. 2 plus 9 equals, okay, well, I'm adding with the number 2, so I know that it's a low number, so it's a count on. So I always start with the big number. Instead of counting up so many with 9, I'm going to start at 9 and count up 2. So let's say it. Let's say 9 together. Ready? 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. Now, is that 14, 10, or 8? No, that's not a double. We had to count on. This one says count on. So we're going to put the letter D down because letter D is any one that was a count on. Okay? All right, so on the next one, look, we have 5 plus 5. Ooh, that's my favorite. 5 plus 5. What's that equal? 10. Was that one of the doubles that we did up here? Yeah, it's this one with the 2 hands. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. They're the same. So what letter was that double? It was letter B. So we're going to put a B in that box. See how it works now? It's kind of confusing, but we're going to sort them out. Okay? So let's look at this one. 3 plus 7. Well, that's not a double. So we're going to probably count on because 3 is kind of smaller. So we're going to start with the big number, 7. Let's say it together. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted on. So you're not just matching the answers because, look, there is a 10 up there. But did I do a double? Did I do 5 plus 5? No, I counted on. So my count on is letter D. Letter D goes in that box. Alrighty, our next one is 7 plus 7. 2 weeks. 7 plus 7 equals what? 14. Is that a double? 7 plus 7, is it the same number 2 times? Yes, it is. Did we do it up here? 7 plus 7 equals 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Yeah, it matches this one. What letter is in that box? A. So we're going to put an A in that box so it matches. Woohoo! All right, are we starting to pick it up? Because it'll start getting pretty quick here. So let's look at the next one. 7 plus 7. Wait, what? 7 plus 7. Did we just do that one? We already know the answer then because we already worked on it. What's 7 plus 7? 14. And look at this. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. What letter was in that box? A. We get to use A again. So you're going to write the letter A in that box. Okay, we're going to do one more on this side, okay? 6 plus 3. Well, I don't see a double. It's not the same number 2 times. So we're probably going to have to count on. And because it's 3, so let's start with 6, okay? Ready? Say 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is our answer. And I don't have a doubles problem. I didn't do 6 plus 6. So I counted on. That is letter D. Letter D. All right, go ahead and pause me now while you finish this side on your own. And then we will talk about the back side together, and then I'll let you work on that on your own, okay? Sounds good. Pause me now. How did it go? Were you able to sort everything out? I bet you did, because that's a pretty, I like to match pictures like that. It's almost like a puzzle, kind of. So I thought that was really fun to do. This is the back side of your paper. We're going to do just a couple together because I think this is the time for you to really practice on your own. But I want to make sure you know what to do, okay? So all you're doing is to add. Look for the easy doubles. When you see doubles, use those. If you know those facts, if you know that 5 plus 5 is 10, go for it. Just write it down. But at the very bottom it says, go back and circle all of the doubles. So after you finish solving all these math problems, you're going to go back and you're going to circle the problems that were a double. I'm going to do it with you for a couple of them, okay? All right, 7 plus 1. That is not a double, but I can count on. Start with the big number, 7. Ready? 7, 8. I only clapped one time because I'm only adding 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 5 plus 5. Ooh, my favorite. 5 plus 5. I don't even have to think about it. It's 10. That one is a double, so I am going to circle it because it is a double. 4 plus 6. Ooh, that is not a double, so I'm going to start with the big number 6, and I'm going to clap 4 times, okay? Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. It is not a double, though, so I am not going to circle it. 0 plus 1. Hey, there's a 0 fact. If I have 1 and I add nothing to it, it stays 1. It is not a doubles fact, so I will not circle it. 7 plus 7. Ooh, that's a double. Think about 2 weeks. 7 plus 7. 14. 14, and it's a double, so I'm going to circle it. Awesome. All right, my wonderful friends, that is all I have to show you today. You get to finish the rest of this on your own, but if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys on Friday this week for more math with me. Have an awesome day. Bye.